Is your Facebook ad account disabled and leaving your business on pause? Don't worry, in this video I will show you the exact steps to recover your ad account and get your ads back up and running. Let's fix it together. So what you have to do? You have to install an extension. This is the extension Reactivate a Closed Ad Account. So how you have to install it? Let me show you the process. First, I will provide the link in the description. What you have to do is simply download it, and then what you have to do is simply extract this extension. Please follow all steps. Click on three dots and now click on extensions. Click manage extension. Now what you have to do is simply drag and drop extension here. After dragging, what you will see is the extension will be available here. Now what you have to do is simply open the extension, and then what you have to do is click on billing and payment method. Now copy the billing and payment ID address from here. You can see these numbers, and then what we have to do is paste. After, what we have to do is we have to add the payment details. Simply click on lifetime and then download all the transaction details. After a PDF will be downloaded, what you have to do is simply upload the PDF here. PDF uploaded. Now what you have to do is take a screenshot of your transactions. Now upload the screenshot. Now click on start. It will take some time, and now request has been submitted successfully. Now your ad account will be enabled after 24 hours. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.